So, it's a pretty chilly morning. It snowed. And, you know what that means? Right there. I hate that. So it is kind of nice because just looking at my tires, I can't tell that they're low. So none of them are flat, right? But my TPMS light is on. So, what are you gonna do? Well, you could drive on it. Not the most recommended thing in the world, but I mean, you could. The other option, if you don't have an air compressor, I had people comment on my how to stretch tires video that what if you don't have an air compressor? You really need an air compressor to stretch tires. But if you don't have an air compressor, you can get one of these guys. Not for stretching tires. Although in the future, comment below if you want to see this DBPOWER digital air compressor C to B or even stretch a tire. We could try that. But for today, we're just going to use it for what it's for. So, there's a diagram for any of you who don't know how to plug this into your lighter. Ta-da! Handy, right? Handy. Oh. Target 40 psi. No thanks. Hey, that's pretty intuitive. I do have to say. Just spin this and it goes to what you want it to. So I think I want 32 in the front. 32 in the front. Look, no hands. Takes a while. I mean, this was at like 30 psi. I had to get to 32 and it took a minute? I don't know. I've never used one of these before, so I don't really know what to expect. Is that a long time? Because for an air compressor, that wouldn't be a long time. Oh hey, it's got a red flashing light too. Oh, it flashes faster? It's signaling SOS. Huh, that's kind of chintzy. Let's go back here and do this one. You just set it to whatever PSI you want, hit power, and it'll go. So you don't even have to have like a tire pressure gauge with you. If you're looking for some utility, it works nicely. It would be good to keep in the back of your car. So, go for it. Okay, so I just filled all four. All of them were down about 4 PSI. Took me maybe 10 minutes. And that included unboxing and filming. So, anyway, the best part about this is it fits right there. It fits. It's like it was made to go in a Subaru. Wham. Prepared for all air emergencies. Keep it dirt cheap.